Welcome back to Financial Works, the channel where we help you make money online and achieve your financial goals. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by selling your time. Yes, you heard me right. You can sell your time online and make money from your convenience. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or qualifications to do this. All you need is some time that is flexible, available, or spare, and a willingness to do some tasks for other people. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. There are many platforms online that allow you to sell your time and earn money for doing various tasks. Some of these tasks are simple and easy, like filling out surveys, watching videos, or clicking ads. Some of these tasks are more complex and challenging, like writing, designing, or programming. Some of these tasks are fun and enjoyable, like playing games, testing apps, or reviewing products. And some of these tasks are rewarding and meaningful, like teaching, coaching, or mentoring. Whatever your interests, skills, or preferences are, there is a task for you online that you can do and get paid for. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best platforms that you can use to sell your time online and make money. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first platform that I want to talk about is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects you with people who need help with various tasks around their home or office. These tasks can range from cleaning, moving, assembling furniture, running errands, or doing handyman work. You can choose the tasks that you want to do, set your own rates, and schedule your own hours. You can also see the reviews and ratings of the clients before you accept a task. TaskRabbit is a great way to make money online by selling your time if you enjoy doing physical or practical work and helping others. To join TaskRabbit, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid ID, pass a background check, and pay a $25 registration fee. You can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the task and your location. You can also get tips and bonuses from satisfied clients. TaskRabbit is available in many cities across the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. You can check out their website to see if they operate in your area and sign up as a tasker. The second platform that I want to talk about is Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that allows you to offer your services online for a fixed price, starting from $5. You can offer any kind of service that you can do online, such as writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceover, translation, or data entry. You can also offer some unique or creative services, such as singing, drawing, impersonating, or prank calling. You can create your own gigs, or jobs, and showcase your skills and portfolio. You can also browse through thousands of gigs posted by buyers and send them offers. Fiverr is a great way to make money online by selling your time if you have some skills or talents that you can use online and want to work on diverse and interesting projects. To join Fiverr, you need to be at least 13 years old and have a valid email address. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $995 per gig, depending on the level of difficulty, duration, and demand. You can also get tips and bonuses from satisfied buyers. Fiverr is available worldwide and supports multiple currencies and payment methods. You can check out their website to see the different categories of services and sign up as a seller. The third platform that I want to talk about is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or M-Turk, is a platform that allows you to complete short and simple tasks online for a small fee. These tasks are called human intelligence tasks, or HITs, and they are usually things that computers can't do well, such as identifying objects in images, transcribing audio, or verifying information. You can choose the tasks that you want to do, and you can work as much or as little as you want. You can also see the reviews and ratings of the requesters before you accept a task. M-Turk is a great way to make money online by selling your time if you don't mind doing repetitive or boring work and want to earn some extra cash in your spare time. To join M-Turk, you need to be at least 18 years old and have a valid Amazon account. You can earn anywhere from 1 cent to $10 per task, depending on the complexity, duration, and availability. You can also get bonuses from some requesters for good performance. M-Turk is available worldwide, but some tasks may be restricted to certain countries or regions. You can check out their website to see the different types of tasks and sign up as a worker. So, these are some of the best platforms that you can use to sell your time online and make money. Of course, there are many more platforms out there that you can explore and try, but these are some of the most popular and reputable ones that I recommend. Now, before I end this video, I want to give you some tips and advice on how to make the most out of selling your time online and avoid some common pitfalls. Here they are. Tip number 1. Be realistic and honest about your skills, availability, and expectations. Don't overpromise or underdeliver. Don't take on more tasks than you can handle or commit to. Don't charge too high or too low for your services. Be clear and transparent about what you can do, how long it will take, and how much it will cost. Tip number 2. Be professional and courteous with your clients or requesters. Communicate effectively and promptly. Follow the instructions and guidelines. Deliver quality work and meet the deadlines. Ask for feedback and improve your skills. Respect the privacy and confidentiality of your clients or requesters. Don't spam or scam them. Tip number 3. Be smart and safe with your money and personal information. Use secure and reliable platforms and payment methods. Don't share your bank account, credit card, or social security number with anyone. Don't pay any upfront fees or deposits to anyone. Don't accept any payments outside of the platform. Don't click on any suspicious links or download any malicious software. Tip number 4. Be flexible and adaptable to the changing market and demand. Keep learning and updating your skills and services. Keep testing and experimenting with different tasks and platforms. Keep track and optimize your performance and earnings. Keep looking for new opportunities and challenges. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.